time to make a complete fool of myself on the easiest CTF known to man. After waiting 5 minutes for the machine to start, when I never pressed the start machine button in the first place, I'm in. And now I have to wait again before I'll be graced with the IP's presence. Once the system deems us fit for the IP, I start by nmapping this bitch at light speed because I like to let the machine know that daddy's coming home. This yields some interesting results, being port 22 and port 80. The website looks better than my first ever website in Web Design 1, and if we open up the Hacker Console, F12 developer menu, we see a comment perfectly in line with industry best practices. I copy this to a notepad because I'm a civilized caveman, and I proceed to crack open GoBuster and use the dir flag to piss everybody off who watches this. Slow ass yields some results about an assets folder, shocker, so we peer inside the box of goodies to find assets. I lay eyes upon a photo named Portal, or portal.jpg, whatever. So it makes me wonder, if there's a portal that'll shuffle me off this mortal coil. In search of this fountain of youth, I look for a directory or page called Portal. And jackpot, I found the side door like a raccoon breaking into a pie shop. I realize that I have absolutely no idea what the password is, and I'm exceptionally lazy, so I return to GoBuster to see if there are any other directories that it's picked up on that I can get my grubby mitts on. This yields a robots.txt file, so fuck it, let's see what's inside. And oh boy, crackhead shit, my favorite. After copying the Redditor mantra into my notepad, I pop into the login screen and we enter into the bowels of the web app. Some idiot put basic ass access controls on the other tab, so I waffle around the command page to see what idiocy I can accomplish. Maybe an SQL backend? Nope, try again, fivehead. Aha, we're running commands on the web server itself, but making life difficult for us is the big brain solution here, so some commands have been banned like it's a Discord mod. However, the clowns forgot to disable less, so instead of catting things, I just use less. And instead of setting up a reverse shell like a GigaChat, I go the virgin route of just utilizing less to read all the contents. Less is more, or something like that. I get the first two flags relatively easily here, but there's a third, and if I know TryHackMe, that bitch is going to be in the root directory. Upon checking for a gross misconfiguration, I find I can freely use sudo, which means that root folder is all mine. And with that, the third flag is found, and I can finally tell everyone in my family that I'm an elite level hacker.